Hello everyone, this video introduces the points to line function in the vector conversion tool. This function creates line features based on points. Note, only lines with 2 or more vertices will be written to the output. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Points to Line tool. Double-click to open the function window. The input features should be the point features you wish to convert into lines. The line field is used to identify unique attribute values. Point features containing unique attribute values will be merged to form line features. The line field is optional. Here, we select the type field. The sort field is used to sort the points. By default, line features will be generated in the order the points are discovered. You can sort the points by checking the sort field. Here, we choose the default setting. The close line option allows you to choose whether the output line features should be closed. The output feature class contains the line features generated from the points. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. Once all parameters are set, click OK to convert the points into line features. That's all for the introduction to the Points to Line function. Thank you for watching.